In this video, I will show how to show 0 as 0, nil, dashes or hide completely. So we can see we have, I will create here like to show the 0 as text 0. So right click on it, then format cells and select number, then custom. Now here type this code 0 semicolon minus 0 semicolon. Now double quote and here write 0, then double quote and semicolon, then add. So this is the code you write here, then click on OK. So we can see now here 0 changed into this written text. Same you can write the nil with single L or with double L. So same here. So I right click on it, then format cells, custom, then type this code 0 semicolon minus 0 semicolon, double quote, this time write the nil, double quote, then semicolon and add. Now this time we will copy this code. So now here click on OK. So we can see now it's changed into nil. Same here, you want to write with double L, so format cells and custom, type this code here. Now this time we will add the one L more, then click on OK to show the dash and format cells, custom, and now instead of nil just type 3 times dash, then click on OK, and even you can hide it. So 0 format cells, custom, and this time remove everything and click on OK. That's it. Here is the 0, but it will hidden. So this is the way guys you can show 0 as 0, nil, dashes or hide completely. Thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.